Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically send Instagram DMs without sending a notifications. So here I've already opened the Instagram apps. You can just swipe to the left to open your DMs. And here go to or click on the person that you want to chat. So before you sending the message, if you don't want to if you want the notification not pop-ups on their Instagram or their phone, you can use this trick. So before you sending the message, just open your keyboard and click on the slash icon, this one, and there will be this option, silent, send message without a notification. So click on that. You can see, you can just type in your message and click on send. So now the this message is silent, so when they receive, there will be no notifications on their phone, but the message is still received. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.